Emu, a journey through nature's masterpiece. Exploring the life, legacy, and lore of Australia's iconic bird.
By AI for Kids. Welcome to the world of the emu, a remarkable creature synonymous with the grandeur of the Australian landscape. Through these pages, we'll embark on a journey to understand the emu's life, from its awe-inspiring physical capabilities to its profound cultural and ecological roles. Discover the wisdom embodied in this majestic bird, unveiling lessons of resilience and connectivity in nature. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Majestic traveler, the emu's expansive habitat.
Vast landscapes stretch across Australia, embracing the diverse habitats where the emu roams freely. From coastal fringes to the heart of the arid outback, emus thrive in varying environments, including savannas, forests, and grasslands. Their ability to adapt to such a range of settings showcases their resilience and versatility. Observing an emu trekking through the red dust, head held high, is like witnessing a guardian of these mystic lands.
As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the sprawling Australian terrain, the emu stands as a sentinel, embodying freedom and adaptability in its natural abode. Here I wander, one with the earth and sky, finding sustenance and tranquility in my expansive realm.
Flightless marvel, the emu's physical prowess.
Standing tall at 6 feet, emus captivate with their striking appearance. Gray-brown feathers perfect for blending into their surroundings and protecting against the elements. Beneath those feathers, long necks and powerful legs enable a swift sprint. Despite small wings, their flightless form holds a robust grace, each step echoing the resilience of nature itself.
In a dance against the wind, the emu's feathers ripple, a testament to an ancient design perfected through time. Its stature commands attention, a blend of beauty and raw power. With each stride, I carry the legacy of my ancestors, honoring the earth beneath my feet.
Nomadic trails, the emu's adventurous behavior.
Living a nomadic life, emus are creatures of the sun, moving gracefully under its watchful gaze. As the seasons shift, they travel across vast distances, always in pursuit of life-sustaining food and water. Though often solitary, a shared quest for abundance can draw them into communal gatherings, revealing a complex social tapestry.
Amidst the symphony of rustling leaves and whispering winds, the emu walks a timeless path, mirroring the heartbeats of the ancient land it calls home. In the wanderer's embrace, the earth provides, and my spirit soars free.
Family duties, the emu's unique reproductive role.
Every winter, the Australian wilderness echoes with the quiet promise of new beginnings. Emu families prepare for a unique shared venture. The diligent male takes charge, incubating a clutch of dark green eggs. For around 56 days, he fasts, driven by instinct and devotion, ensuring the future of his lineage is secure under his steadfast care.
Under the starlit sky, a male emu becomes a guardian of life, nurturing the next generation with unwavering focus and gentle strength. In silence and stillness, I await the miracle of life, nurturing the dreams of tomorrow.
nourishment across seasons, the emu's dynamic diet.
With the passing seasons, emus display a remarkable dietary adaptability. Omnivores by nature, they feast on abundant offerings, seeds, plants, juicy fruits, and occasionally small creatures, a diet varying with nature's rhythm. Their role as essential seed dispersers aids in the ongoing dance of regeneration and growth.
The emu forages with purpose, selecting nature's bounty with a keen eye, turning each meal into a contribution to the world's endless cycles. As I consume the earth's gifts, I return them in kind, ensuring life continues its splendid march.
Swifter than the wind, emu's incredible agility.
Though flightless, the emu commands the earth with unparalleled speed. In a matter of moments, it can achieve speeds up to 30 miles per hour, a testament to its powerful legs. This agility serves it well, not just for evasion but also for play and discovery, as it bounds across plains, every stride a triumphant note in nature's symphony.
With a burst of energy, the emu transforms the landscape into a blur of motion, a living emblem of the wind's freedom. In the race of life, I find my strength and my joy, where the earth meets the sky.
Cultural guardians, the emu's sacred significance.
Beyond its physical presence, the emu finds a home in the stories and hearts of Indigenous Australians. Emus are deeply woven into Aboriginal mythology and art, their image a symbol of unity and survival. As a revered national symbol of Australia, they stand alongside the kangaroo on the coat of arms, embodying resilience and identity.
In the echoes of ancient tales, the emu walks, bridging the past and present, a sacred thread in the cultural tapestry. In my shadow lies the memory of my people's stories, painting the land with their wisdom.
Custodians of the ecosystem, the emu's ecological role.
The emu plays a pivotal role in Australia's ecosystem, acting as a steward of the land. Its nomadic grazing aids in seed dispersion, promoting plant diversity and growth. Through interactions across varied habitats, emus help maintain ecological balance, an integral piece in the environmental puzzle that sustains life for countless species.
Each emu's passage leaves a trail of renewal, a cycle of life and nature's symphony playing on, orchestrated by these unwitting guardians. In each step, I dance with the rhythm of the wild, a guardian unseen.